Hello you guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing Christmas and winter decor items that you can make yourself. If you guys like me and my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a new video. And just so you know, there will be the Pinterest board linked down below where I got all of these ideas from. So if you guys are looking to recreate some of these ideas, it will all be in the description box down below. And there will also be links to some yarn or other products that you might need to make some of these items as well. And I did just want to let you guys know that there will be a blog post that goes along with this video, which will also share some more ideas. Some will be the same, but there will also be different ones over there, and there will be a link in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. So if you guys are interested in any of that, make sure you check out the description box. And with that, let's get started into these ideas. Okay, so I'm going to be sitting on this side of the camera, that way I can insert pictures of what I'm talking about right over here. So I'm going to start out with the regular ideas, and then we're going to move on to the crochet ideas. So my first idea is some DIY Christmas tree ornaments. There's a bunch of different ideas, so I'll put up some different pictures here. But there's so many different cute ones, and it'd also be fun if you have kids or something to let them help you make some too. And they sell the little bulb things at Michael's and different craft stores, and then you can easily fill them with glitter and other stuff like that to make them look super cute. Another idea is a DIY wreath, which there's, again, tons and tons of different things you can do. Like this one is Mickey ears, and this one's done with like Christmas tree ornaments, and you can buy the base of the wreath for really cheap at like the dollar store or at Michael's. They have them on sale a lot and stuff like that. And then basically all it takes is some hot glue, and that's pretty much it. And any sort of wreath comes out looking super cute. So another idea is to do some painting on mason jars. Like I have my mason jar right up here, and they're super easy to paint on, and you can do candy cane stripes, or if you're more talented you could even do like a Santa Claus or reindeer on it, and it would look super cute to put maybe like some Hershey's Kisses or something in there for the holiday season, or even some candy canes would be really cute as well. But again, there's a bunch of different ideas on what you can paint on them, so just get a little creative with it. So next is a DIY little Christmas tree, which this one is just made out of some string actually, which I think is super cool as well. Because again, there's a lot of them that are actually really expensive when you buy them at like a home decor store. So I think it'd be a super cute idea to make it yourself, and it honestly looks really easy. Another idea is some garland, which there's so many different types, but you could easily take a piece of string and put some Christmas tree ornaments on it, and then like hot glue them into place, that way they don't slide around too much. And it would make a really cute garland as well. Or even if you could find like mini gingerbread men or something like that at like Michael's. They even have like the sticker versions that are meant for like scrapbooking and stuff. But if you could find something like that as well and hot glue it to a piece of string, it would make a really cute garland. Also, there's a bunch of different ideas with that type of thing. So now that I've shared those few ideas with you, let's get on to the crochet pattern ideas, which I have a lot more ideas for that, so I apologize. So any sort of like miniature Christmas hat, like this one is a cat with a miniature Christmas hat, but I think if you were to make a little tiny Christmas hat for any stuffed animals that you have, it would be pretty cute. So that's my first idea for crocheting. And next is an actual hat that you can wear. So a Santa hat that is big enough for you, like this one, would be super cute, and that way you can customize the color as well. Next are these snowflake ornaments, which these are really cute as well, and I think they would look really cool hanging on a Christmas tree. There's also these Christmas tree ornaments, which are shaped like little snow globes with stuff in them. And again, these are super adorable. There's also these heart ornaments, which are just in Christmas colors. And then there's an angel ornament. And there's lots of different ideas for things that aren't Christmas related that you could even make as a Christmas tree ornament. Like, for example, this one is a Baby Yoda ornament, which I think is really adorable, especially if you really like Star Wars. There's also a bunch of different like scarf ideas you can make. So this one looks like elf legs and then feet. I didn't save this one, but I also saw one where it looked like a bunch of different snowmen as a scarf. So again, there's a lot of different ideas. So again, like I was talking about earlier, there's a lot of different ideas for Christmas trees as well. So here's this one where you can crochet a little stand-up Christmas tree, and I think that's really cute, especially if you want to put it on like your desk or something. Then we also have stockings, which I think it would be awesome to be able to customize whatever color you want to make your stocking into. And again, this is just one different idea of a pattern that someone has put on Pinterest, but there are also so many others. There's also these dish towels, which are super cute as well. They have a gingerbread man and a snowman, which I actually love these ones as well because they're the type that go onto a handle, so they just hang there and it makes it super convenient. So there's also this little snowman basket, which is again adorable, as I was saying with everything. But I think this would be really cute to put out in your living room, to put some pillows and blankets in, especially since when it's around Christmas time it's normally colder. Not really in Florida, but maybe if you live up north somewhere. But again, I think it'd be super cute to have that to put some stuff in, or even if you wanted to make this to put like somebody's present in or something, I think that would be cute as well. So there's also a lot of different pillowcase ideas. This one says joy on it, but I've also seen one with like a red truck with the Christmas tree in the back and stuff. So again, I think that is very cute. So there's also this doily, which is just in Christmas colors, and in the picture here they actually show it underneath some flowers, but it would look really cute, especially on the table for Christmas dinner. There's also quite a few different blanket ideas for Christmas time. Like this one is shaped into a Christmas tree, which is really cool. And this one is just Christmas colors, but I think it would look nice in someone's house that doesn't have like too many decorations. If you're just going for like red and green colors for your decorations, I think that would look really cute. Now, one of my favorite ideas is a tree skirt like this one. I just love the idea of making a tree skirt. I feel like it's the perfect thing to make for Christmas time, but I guess I'm sort of biased because the tree skirt that we've had my whole entire life was made by my grandma. So, you know, I think it's just super cute. And again, customizable like everything. So there's also quite a few different garland ideas like this one, which is just like different Christmas items like a tree and a stocking and stuff. There's also this one which looks like Christmas lights. And for any sort of garland, if you have like anything small that you've made, like maybe keychain size, if you want to make it into a garland, just make multiple of them and then attach them to a string, and then there you go. So like even if you wanted it to be like more winter, if you don't celebrate Christmas, you could make like little tiny snowflakes and put them on a string, or like penguins or something like that that's not really Christmas related if you still want some winter decor. So there's also quite a few little stuffed animals you can make. Like as you can tell, I have my little snowman right up here, which is actually made from this pattern. And again, the scarf that's on it is from a pattern I made, which I can link down below for you guys as well. But there's a lot of different ideas. There's also this gingerbread man, And there's even this other snowman, which is a lot more in detail, but I think it's really cute. And there's even little crochet food items, so like hot chocolate and Christmas cookies. And I'm just saying, if you're trying to be on a diet, you can just crochet some and it'll look really cute. And there's also this reindeer stuffed animal. So again, there's a lot of different ideas. And with stuffed animals, you may not think of them as decor, but I kind of like to use them as decor because you can just like set them on a couch and they look pretty cute for whatever holiday it is. So I just think you can't go wrong with them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like me and my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a new video. Also leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to be making any of these ideas that I mentioned. If you guys would like to check out any of the products you may want to use to make some of these ideas, the ideas themselves, the blog post that goes along with this video, my social medias, or more videos from me, make sure you guys check out the description box down below. And with all of that, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!